It's the ultimate adventure, flying in a multi-million-dollar Swis-built aircraft and taking off from Essendon Airport. Air Adventure gives you the chance to experience 4 of Australia's premier golf courses in just 4 days. 2 courses at Barnbougle on Tasmania's north coast and 36 holes at King Island in the middle of Bass Strait. At Barnbougle lies a multi-course complex revered throughout the golf world. And the youngest of its 2 heavyweight courses is Lost Farm. A playground for grown-ups, Barnbougle is home to some of the most spectacular holes on the planet. High above the Lost Farm layout, the Lost Farm restaurant boasts an enviable wine cellar and stunning views overlooking Bass Strait below. Barnbougle Dunes, which opened in 2004, put Tasmania on the global golf map. The winds may blow, providing a pure test of links golf. Taking off at Barnbougle, the flight time to King Island is just 45 minutes. Playing from the beach is a genuine prospect at Cape Wickham, a course which has been ranked as high as the 24th best in the world. On King Island's east coast, the postcard spectacle continues at the Graham Grant-designed Ocean Dunes. To play 4 courses of this calibre in just 4 days is a rare opportunity.